डियर स्टूडेंट, आज कुछ जेईई मेंस के क्वेश्चन को डिस्कस करेंगे। इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, उनको आज डिस्कस करेंगे। नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज दिस, क्या है? दिस इज अ प्लेन सीट, दिस इज अ प्लेन सीट having the positive charge and the surface charge density of the plane sheet, surface charge density is sigma. Suppose by a silk thread, here is charge ball of mass m, charge ball q of mass m, suspended by making an angle theta with the plane sheet. Now what you have to tell? The surface charge density sigma will be proportional to option 1 sin theta, option 2 tan theta, option 3 cos theta, and option 4 cosec theta. फिर से, this is a plane sheet of surface charge density sigma and a charge ball of mass m suspended with silk thread S by making an angle theta with the plane sheet. Then the surface charge density of sigma proportional to what? Sigma proportional to which of the following option? Proportional to which of the following option? Option number 1 sin theta, option 2 tan theta, option 3 cos theta, and option 4 cosec theta. Now let me visualize the situation. Surely this is the positive charge and it will create electric field around it. So it will apply the force due to electric field on this charge will be in which direction? Rightward direction or leftward direction? So this is the positive charge, so electric field surely in this direction. So it will apply a force on charge q due to electric field will be QE in the rightward direction. Because electric field is away from the charge and on a positive charge, the force will be in the direction of electric field. So the electric field created due to this plane sheet at this point will apply a force on this charge in the rightward direction. Now here is a thread, so surely if the mass of the ball is m, then weight of the ball is acting vertically downward and that weight will be mg. Now here is a tension act away from the ball. This tension supposed to be T, and now if we will draw this line, if this angle will theta, this is also theta. This T having two components, this component will be T cos theta and this component is T sin theta. This component is T cos theta and this component now be balanced since this ball is in equilibrium. So if this ball is in equilibrium, so leftward force balance the rightward force and upward force balance the downward force. So here we will get T sin theta is equal to QE, and you know very well that electric field due to plane sheet will be E is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught. So therefore T sin theta is equal to what? Q into E sigma by, that is sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Also T cos, this is equation number 1. Also T cos theta is equal to what? T cos theta is equal to mg, equation number 2. Dividing these two equations, what will get? T will cancel out. Sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. So tan theta is equal to what? Sigma into q by 2 epsilon naught into what? mg. Charge q is constant, 2 is constant, epsilon naught is constant, m is constant, g is constant. So sigma proportional to what? Tan theta. So very important question, that's why option this is correct. Okay.